Sicily, Florence, Venice, Milan.
You see that? Food, photos, wine, adventure. It's about to be moving. Yes. Thank you. Woo! This mall making Miami International look like they're not trying nothing at all. Look at this. This is delicious. We made it! Just got dropped off by the best Uber in the world. Hey, mommy.
5 stars.
20. Reach Miami International Airport. I can't believe I'm going to Italy. Hey, babe.
Hey.
Ready for Italy?
So ready.
Not babe with her glass of wine.
Listen.
That is the biggest glass of wine I think I've ever seen in my life. Y'all see this?
This is a 2-for-1, okay?
That's a 2-for-1.
Period. Plenty more of this when I get to Italy, baby, okay?
Period. It is our first time in Italy. First time. Don't know what to expect.
4 different cities.
Where are we going?
Sicily,
Oh Lord, hold on.
Sicily, Florence, Venice, Milan.
You see that? Food, photos, wine, adventure. It's about to be moving. Here at Miami International Airport, we in our comfy fits, sweatpants, jackets. We have a night flight. Let's see. Let's see. We just landed in Rome. So we have a layover here that's gonna go to Catania, and then we're gonna go to Sicily. Euro summer is beginning wonderfully. How you feeling, babe?
I'm still taking it all in. But I feel great.
Good. See how it is out here in Italy. It's our first time ever. So on the flight, I ended up I ripped the balsamic vinegar packet open and squirted it, and it went everywhere else except my salad, including my pants, my bag, the seat, everything, everywhere. I'm like, there's one thing you need to know about me. I hate stains. Hate that. Welcome to Rome. Airport looking like a mall. We got Burberry, Axmara, Omega, Brunello Cucinelli, Pandora, Dolce & Gabbana, Ferragamo, Louis Vuitton, Hermes. Okay, baby, we can shop in this mall. Take me shopping. Ferrari, too. Okay. This mall making Miami International look like they're not trying nothing at all. Look at this. Yeah. And we got 2 stories, too. Look upon this mall, y'all. Airport, y'all. Gucci. Wow. I've seen every designer in this place. Everyone. Bottega Veneta. Wow. Beautiful. Look, we got art, pillars of art. Somebody playing a piano. Oh, I gotta see that. Wow. I am very impressed right now. Finally made it to Catania. Ah. Let the games actually begin for real, for real. We're in Sicily. Buongiorno, buon pomeriggio, buonasera, buonanotte. Ah, tired. Che tu chiami?
Andrea.
Andrea?
Sorry, I speak English bobo, eh?
It's okay. Piacere.
Piacere mio, prego.
Grazie. Ooh, Mercedes, we in here. Ooh. Okay, we face each other. This is cool.
What's up?
What they do? Oh shit. Falling in this damn car. Honey, we're home. Nice to meet
Possible,
you.
can I help, madam?
Oh, thank
Please.
you. Wow.
First floor. With the lift, you will go down to the second, down to the third, not up. Down until reaching the cliff, the last part of the hotel. To reach the floor, it's better to use this one and this one, faster.
Okay.
But if you need to go down to the beach pool and restaurant, you have to use that two lift and push the level M, mare. Go down. On the right side here, there will be the breakfast tomorrow morning from 7:30 until 10:30. So no lift. And at the end of this corridor, there's the bar. Svevo is open until midnight. We have the gym at the third floor. If it's closed, you can collect the key.
Ooh. Bellissima.
You're trying to learn Italian?
Yes. I am trying to learn for 10 years now. Wow.
Okay. All the
This
information I gave
view.
you are here inside.
Okay.
And more.
Okay, perfect.
And then you have the second key here.
Thank
To
you.
switch off the light during the night is the off here, and there's the view in the bathroom. But if you need to cover it, just call the reception. We have a
Oh.
the best part of the room.
I know you have to do it for us.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Little gift for you.
Thank
I
you
think
so
much.
you love Sicilian wine.
Yes, she
Here you
does.
are.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you. Woo! Wow.
And maybe tomorrow morning we will see Calabria.
Whoa. Where are we, friend?
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
And enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Will do. Thank you. Oh, we made it home. Finally. Ooh, they got little pastries too. I'll open this up. That's nice. Little pastries. We made it! Oh! Made it to Sicily, y'all. It's beautiful. A little chilly, but beautiful. So happy to finally be here. This is perfect. Sit down. Got one of them sexy showers. Sexy shower, sexy shower. We showering, looking at each other. Who we got? We got wine. And everything in the mini bar is included. What they got for us? I'll open this. Oh, yes. That Red Bull will be used. Oh, yes. Oh, what is this? They got nice drinks and stuff in here. This looks like some kind of ice cream thing. Limone. Oh. A bunch of nice treats in here for us. That's thoughtful. Yes, for the robes. Oh. Whoa! Whoa! This is stunning. Wow. Yes. Even this is beautiful. Hey,
This song has me so hyped, bro.
hey, we're gonna get one up. Hey, don't start. Hey, what you? Hey, what? Go rolling. What it look like? Look like.
What it look like?
That was just showing. What? What you gonna say? Pass it, Bestie. Woo! That's how you.
With the world.
That's how you do it. That's how it gets done. Bestie.
Pour it up and
Pour it up, pour it up. Watch it not fall out. We about to cheers this. Cheers.
Yes.
So they're playing T-Pain in here, which is so random. I don't even know this song. But it's our first Italian meal in Italy ever in life. Big deal, big deal, big deal.
so excited.
So excited. Buonasera. Hi. Good seeing.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Allora, for you, olive oil from Volcano Etna.
Sì,
The name
grazie.
Noce Lara dell'Etna. Ok?
Perfetto, grazie.
Prego.
Gonna have the real deal olive oil here. I was like, really, what is this? There was some bread with anchovies olives in it. That's a first. Cannoli, nice and big, child. Let's eat. I was really debating whether or not I'm gonna eat this cannoli because I've been eating carbs all day, but you know what? I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be in Sicily is, so let's just have it. Now this is good. Damn. Yes, this was worth it. This is delicious. Damn. Yeah, I'm happy I got it. Woo! That's like some nuts in there or something. Yeah.
That, what is that? Zoom?
Tiramisu.
Zupa English. Looks good.
Pistachio, chocolate, vanilla, coffee, salted caramel. What is Zupa English? What is that? Yeah, that one I don't know what that is.
It reminds me of the one you like in Jamaica. The eggnog. The color.
Yeah, that's why I'm looking at it like. Today was a whirlwind. Being completely exhausted on the flight, getting to Rome, going over to Catania. It's been interesting. I definitely would say as a Black woman, people here have an awe, like with you. Like they kind of look like, you don't see that every day. I haven't felt any racism or exclusion or anger or anything. It's been more just the awe, the mystery, the where are you from, where you're beautiful, that kind of thing. Tomorrow we're going to actually go to the pool. It should be warmer because it was pretty bleak today. So planning on getting some sun, actually relaxing because boy, I don't think T or I have gotten sleep, like a good 8 hours sleep in like 3 or 4 days max. So I'm really happy that I'm not feeling as sick because I was starting to feel real sick and real just off earlier to the point where I couldn't even speak. So I'm just grateful that storm has passed. Dinner was pretty good. The best part for me was the cannoli. The biggest surprise was the bread with the, what was that, olives inside of it? I have never seen that before. And yeah, we're gonna have some tea, some hot water, take it down, relax, sleep, wake up, have some breakfast, and be back outside. That's officially day 1. Day 0.5, I would say, because we didn't even get a full day. But tomorrow is going to be the actual beginning of this trip. So I'm putting some braids in my hair because it's just been easy. Look at the difference. Look at it. My hair look like this, but it's really a lot longer. So this is how we're going to make sure tomorrow I get the length that I want so I'm not pulling on it all day. Yeah. All right, bye.